You can't force me to do anything. You can't force me to do anything. I asked for a lawyer, brother. You can't do that. If y'all gonna try to quarantine me or whatever, you can't force me to put anything in my arm. You cannot do that. It doesn't work like that.
Gotta do a workup on you, dude.
It doesn't work like that.
But you're sick, man.
But it doesn't work like that. How do you know I'm sick? You haven't even done a test on me.
You're coughing already.
You won't let me do a test from you.
How do you know I'm sick? You haven't even done a test on me.
They try to do a test on you. In order to do a test, they got
to work like that. It doesn't work like that. It does not work like that. It doesn't work like that.
They got you, dude.
You can't force me to do anything, bro.
But you're sick, man.
I'm a man.
We understand that you're a man.
I'm a man. You can't force me to do anything, bro.
But you gotta do a workup on you.
Before you stick a needle in me, I want a lawyer up here. You can't do that. Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest?
No, not under arrest.
Well, how can you force me to do something?
So, James,
try not to.
How can you force me to do something if I'm not under arrest?
Listen, I'm trying to explain to you.
Some shit gonna change.
Doctors talk to you.
Some shit gonna change today, bro. Y'all talked to me when I was a kid.
I'm trying to explain.
I was a kid too. And I'm a man now.
Listen to him, man.
I'm a man now. Okay, I'm listening. I'm listening.
So the doctors talk to you. They did not feel like you have the capacity to make medical decisions based off their discussion with you. And so
how do I not have that?
That's the
I'm a grown man now. How do I not have the capacity?
Okay? And all we're trying to do is help you. Nobody wants to hurt you. We're just
I
trying
don't
to
want to
make
hurt
sure that you're
anybody
okay.
I am okay.
Lloyd, Robert, Young, Charles, Edward, first name William, common spelling. Right now, 68, gold 303.
So if you'd be willing to let us do what we need to do medically for you,
yeah, I've
we
tried
wouldn't
that
have to go through all
already
of
before.
this.
That's not what I need.
And I think that's the concern, is that you're sick. We can all tell that you're sick.
I'm not sick.
But you don't want to get the help that you need.
I'm not sick.
You are sick enough to call an ambulance.
Shit gonna change today. It's called a revolution. Revolution. That's what that's called. Revolution. That's what this is called. Y'all know what a revolution is? Do you know what a revolution is? Huh?
What does that have to do with you being sick?
Do you know what a revolution is? Do you know what a revolution is, brother?
You don't even.
This shit gotta change. All this shit gotta change. It's called a revolution.
Yeah.
I'm revolutionary. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So you want to make everybody sick?
This shit ain't real. Coronavirus is not real, bro. Come on, man.
It's not?
Y'all better get on with that bullshit. Y'all better get on with that bullshit. Y'all ain't fooling me with that coronavirus shit. Yeah, that's a good example. Man, y'all better get on with that shit. Y'all ain't fooling me. I'm not the masses. I'm smarter than them. My IQ is over 100. You are not fooling me. Yeah, I'm finna expose that shit. Fuck y'all.
He's saying he doesn't care if he infects anybody else. He doesn't care if he gets anybody else.
Fuck
He doesn't believe
I'm not crazy.
COVID is a real disease. Those are the things that he's saying to the doctor.
I'm not crazy.
So we're concerned that he's going to leave and then go infect other people.
People a little basic. They thought I was crazy. Nah, I'm not tripping, bro. I'm not tripping. I'm not sick. Not sick.
She won't come get him because she's concerned that he's sick and he's going to infect
I'm not
people where
sick.
she lives.
Yeah, I'm not sick. I wasn't sick when I was a kid. Doctors put me on medicine and said something was wrong with me. Nothing's wrong with me. Nothing's wrong with me.
So James, just a question. So you called the ambulance, right? Can you put your
Because I had a cough.
Okay.
And I wasn't feeling well.
Can you put your mask back on for me, my man? I appreciate it. So you called them and because you weren't feeling well.
Yeah.
Okay. So they brought you to the hospital, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so basically you came here seeking help to help you to feel better. Am I right? Okay. So you got this whole group of people here. Can you turn? Can you?
She's gonna change today.
So
There's
James,
gonna be a lot of changes going on after
James, my
this.
thing is this.
After this, there's gonna be a lot of changes.
James,
Y'all owe me.
hold on, James.
Y'all owe me money.
James, listen to me.
Y'all
man.
owe me.
James, you came.
Nah, bro.
you
Y'all
came
owe
to,
me.
James, you came to the hospital,
Y'all
right?
owe me.
James, are you listening to me?
Things are gonna change after
You
this.
came to the hospital for
If I
help.
gotta die for it, I don't care.
James, you came to the hospital for
Y'all
help.
owe me.
You got everybody here that's trying to help you,
Y'all owe
man.
me, bro.
So what do you want us to do, man?
Y'all owe me, and y'all owe a whole bunch of Americans
James,
just like me.
so what do you want us to do,
Things are
man?
gonna change today. Things are gonna. See, what's crazy is that this is not the old times. The revolution will be televised. See, that's what they didn't tell y'all, bro. The revolution will be televised.
Come on, man.
It's different now. Yeah, it's not the 70s no more.
Keep your mask on, my man.
It's not the 70s no more. Revolution will be televised, bro.
James, so what do you want for us to do?
Revolution will be televised, bro.
James, what do you want for us to do? How do you want us to help you? That's what my question is.
Yeah. I want you to give me my 5 basic needs that every American citizen should have.
And what is that, sir?
Yeah. Google them. Go Google them, bro.
No,
You got a
I'm
phone?
asking
Do you have a phone? Google them.
I'm asking you.
Do you have a phone, bro? Google them. Somebody that has a phone, Google what the 5 basic needs of
Keep your
a
mask
person
on,
are.
man. James, keep your mask
That's
on.
what y'all need to do, bro.
James, keep
Nah,
your
for
mask
real,
on,
bro.
man. Would you keep your mask on?
Nah, y'all need to, nah. Shit has to change.
What do
Shit
you
has
want?
to change, bro.
You came to us, James. What do you want from us?
I want what I'm supposed to have, bro.
What is that?
My 40 acres and a mule, all that.
Okay,
all
James,
that, bro.
You at the hospital,
I
man.
need all that, bro.
James, you at the hospital.
No, that shit gotta change, bro. This shit has to change
So why did you come here?
because I felt like I was sick.
Okay, and
I
then
felt like I was sick.
we're the people that can help you.
Okay, but y'all not putting a needle in my arm. It doesn't work like that.
Okay, what
You
what
can't make me do something against my will. That is not right. I'm a man,
So
and I would die for that, bro.
You got doctors.
I would die for that, bro.
You got doctors and nurses.
It doesn't
here.
work like that. Even if I'm feeling bad, you cannot force me to do anything, bro.
We're not trying to force you
It
to
doesn't
do
matter.
anything. So
Nah,
what do you,
I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all.
So what do you want
I'ma
from
show
us?
y'all,
If you're not going to cooperate
I'ma
with us,
show
then
y'all,
why did
bro.
you come here,
I'm
James?
gonna show y'all, bro. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all, bro. This shit gonna change, bro.
So
Things need to change in America. That's why everything going on right now. Cause things need to change, bro. Things need to change. Healthcare need to change. We should have free healthcare in America. Other countries have it. Why can't we have it in America?
But
That is not right.
you're here at the
That is
hospital.
not right, bro.
We got all these people
All
here
these
trying to
poor
help
people.
you.
My mama needs a kidney right now, and we can't do it because we live in poverty, bro. I want to give her my kidney, and I can't give her my kidney because I'm in poverty, bro. Shit need to change, man. It's time for a change, and it's time now.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
can you?
It's time for a change now,
You
not
still
tomorrow.
You haven't
Yeah.
answered my question.
Nah.
What can we do for you right now?
What you can do for me right now is y'all can change what's going on in these hospitals. Y'all give my mama a kidney.
Okay.
You ever seen John Q? Have you ever seen John Q?
Okay.
I can be John Q right motherfucking now.
Okay.
My mama need a kidney. Why the fuck can my mama get a kidney?
What do you need from us? I'm talking about you.
Why? Why can't my mama get a kidney? Is she not good enough for
I'm talking
y'all?
about you. You're
That's
in the hospital.
bullshit.
You're in the hospital right now,
Yeah,
James.
yeah. Shit
So
gonna
what can
change
we-
today.
What
What
do
gonna
you
change?
want
Y'all ever seen John Q?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm on right now.
So James,
I'm ready to die for that shit, bro.
Thanks.
That's
Right.
bullshit.
my man James.
My mama need a kidney. That's bullshit.
All right. So James, with man,
Yeah, y'all come up here. That's what y'all need to do. Yeah,
so James,
y'all come up here. That's what y'all need to do, bro. For real. I'm in Parkland, bro. Parkland Hospital. That's what y'all do. Yeah.
so James, would you let the
Revolution can start today, not tomorrow.
So would you let the
Yeah,
doctors?
this is not the 70s no more.
James, would you let
Us
the doctors?
niggas gonna fight back.
Would you let the
Yeah.
doctors? Would you let
It
the
is not.
doctors?
It is not like that no more, bro.
Would you let the doctors?
Revolution will be
treat you, man?
televised. Fuck that. Things need to change in healthcare, all that, bro. Where
you
y'all
got-
treat us in prison. Yeah.
Are you gonna let us help you or
I'm
not?
talking first. Let me talk. Let me talk, bro.
We're
'Cause I
listening.
have something to say, bro.
We know that,
Let
man.
me
But
talk,
at the same
bro.
time, we're here trying to help you.
My dad is in prison right now because y'all did not give him the right help he needed, bro.
Okay.
I'm ready to die for that shit. I'm ready to die right motherfucking now.
So James, you're not
I'm
gonna
not
let
scared to
us
die. I don't want to hurt anybody, and I don't want to hurt myself.
We're not trying to hurt you,
Okay.
man.
I don't want to hurt anybody, and I don't want to hurt myself. But things need to change starting
This is
today.
medical staff, man. We're
Things
medical.
need to change starting today, bro.
So you're not gonna let the doctors?
I'm in Parkland Hospital, y'all. Things need to change starting today, man. This is not fair, man. I am not on drugs. I am good. Things need to change, man. Things need to change, brother. You know what I'm talking about, bro. You done read some of the books I done read. One of y'all have. One of y'all done read them books, bro. I'm not trying to hear that shit, bro. I'm not Fred Hampton, bro.
Man,
Y'all ain't finna kill me while I'm in the bed.
no, man, come on.
You know what I mean?
Come on,
None of
man.
that
You
shit,
know that.
bro.
Dude,
I'm
you
letting you
know my
know.
word.
No, I'm finna fight for my right.
Man, ain't nobody trying to do all that. We're trying
I'm
to
a
help you.
convicted felon, right? Look, listen right here.
Okay.
I'm a convicted felon, right? When I went to prison, I rehabilitated myself, bro. Okay? When I got out, I'm still in poverty, bro. So I'm in the same boat that I was in before I went in. I'm in the same hood. Same niggas trying to give me dope. I would never say no names because I'm not a snitch. But anyway, like I'm saying, that shit is not right. That shit need to change, man. Poverty need to change, man. Y'all, these rich motherfuckers, that shit need to change, man. It's too many people out here with money for us to be fucked up like this, man. That is not right. Shit gonna change today. Excuse my language. I'm sorry, but I'm an aggressive man. I cuss. But if you knew what the S word mean, that's made up. You know what I mean? This is not our original language. This is a whole nother language. I'm way advanced than y'all, bro.
So-
Nah, we gonna change. Things are gonna change today.
So you want me to stay here or you want me to go?
You can go, y'all. I don't
Okay.
need y'all. I don't need the police.
Okay, well.
I'm
not
my own
here for-
police.
Okay, we ain't here for
Yeah,
that. So I
I'm
mean,
my own police, bro.
so are you gonna let
I
them give you
police
some
myself.
medication? Are you gonna
I
let them
snitch on myself.
Are you gonna let them give you some
Yeah.
medication?
I don't need no medication. Y'all gave me medication when I was a kid.
Okay.
That shit didn't work. Look at
Yeah.
me now.
Okay.
That shit didn't work.
But you came
I
to
needed
the hospital.
attention and a role model. That's all I needed when I was a kid.
Come on, dude.
No, I'm not getting on the bed, bro. You can't make me get on the bed, bro.
Come on.
Okay.
It don't work like that, bro. It do not work like that, bro. It don't work like that. You can't make me get on the bed, bro. I'm not a prisoner.
Come on, dude.
I'm in America, bro. This is a free country. I know my rights.
Okay. All right, you're in the room with him now. Talk to him, please.
I don't want to talk right now. I don't need that energy. I do not need that energy, bro. I got something to say.
Get off the live.
No. The revolution will be televised, bro. Yeah, it's the right way to do this. I know how to do this. Social media is a motherfucker.
What are you
Yeah, I'm very smart. Get off, hang up the phone. I don't want to talk.
Hang the phone up.
I don't want to talk to her, bro.
Hang your phone up.
I rebuke you, Satan. I rebuke you, Satan. Udu Bilahi min Shaitanir Rajim. I rebuke Satan right now. I know what's going on in this world. I got the juice. Udu Bilahi min Shaitanir Rajim. That's what's going on out here. Yeah, I know. I got the juice, bro. Nah, y'all can't do that.
That's not working. Okay, thank you so much.
That's not gonna work. I rebuke you, Satan. Get away from me. That is not gonna work, bro. I got the juice, bro. I know what's going on. Shit need to change. Healthcare, criminal justice reform, all that need to change. I am very well educated.
Hey, James.
No, I don't want to talk, bro.
Okay.
Give me a lawyer. I want a lawyer before y'all touch me.
Okay.
It doesn't work like that, bro. You can't. No,
James, here's
No.
Here, I'm giving it to you cold, man. All right.
it doesn't work like that, bro. I'm not trying to hurt you.
I'm not trying to hurt
I'm
you.
not a
either,
threat.
James.
My hands are on my look.
I know, but
My
James,
hands are just like this. Y'all see my hands?
James, I'm trying to.
My hand, nah, I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping, bro.
James,
Y'all tripping. Y'all out here tripping. Y'all lost, bro.
James,
Y'all need to wake. Y'all, everybody talking about they woke.
so
Yeah,
James,
it's time to wake up. It's now.
so man, why don't you just go ahead and let me give you the medication so we can go, man?
Nah, y'all ain't forgive
Fine,
me. Y'all
simple.
didn't medication when I was a kid. That shit didn't work.
Okay, so James,
That shit did not work, bro.
so James, we just like you don't want to put your hands on me, I don't want to put my hands on you. Okay, but the thing about it, man.
Wow, we gonna tear this bitch up.
But dude, ain't nobody even trying to do that.
Alright, well, so I'm saying, don't touch me then.
But then,
If you don't want to tear this bitch up, don't touch me.
well, James, the
Do
thing
not
is,
touch me.
You're not cooperating with us. though.
Okay, I'm trying to be cooperative. I don't want to do that.
I know, but then the thing about it is that there
It doesn't work like
option.
that. It doesn't work like that. Things need to change in this country.
There's no other option, James.
Things
That's what
need
I'm
to change
saying.
in this country.
So-
These fake ass Dallas rappers, All you hoe ass niggas. That shit gotta change, bro. You niggas out here are selfish as hell, man. Y'all ain't giving out no food or nothing, bro. You niggas out here giving bikes. Y'all giving bikes.
My man.
Nah, bro, don't touch me, bro. We can tear this bitch up, bro. I will tear this bitch up, bro. Shit, get away from me. Please, can I have my personal space?
Okay,
I want my space, bro. Nah, I'm gonna show y'all. I will show y'all, bro. I know what's right, bro.
Okay, James, please.
I will show y'all, bro.
We ain't trying to.
I'm not a hoe, bro.
Nothing, man.
I know what's right and what's wrong.
So
It don't work like that, bro.
Why don't you just
It do not work like that, bro. Things in the change in this country, man.
They do, but there's not
I
gonna
would tell
change
this bitch, hey man, y'all didn't come up to Parkland, bro. That's what need to happen, bro. Y'all worry about everything else, bro. Y'all need to come up to Parkland, bro. For real, man. The time is now, bro. Yeah, y'all bring guns, whatever y'all gotta bring, bro.
Man, why don't you just let them get it shot, man? So we don't have to even go through all this stuff.
Yeah, nah, bro. It don't work like that, bro. Y'all gotta bring guns, all that shit, bro. Nah, I'm for real, bro. The time is now, bro. The time, y'all know me, bro. I'm real, bro. I'm not crazy, bro.
Come on, James, man. Let him get
Nah,
this shot.
man.
Come on, man. Go ahead, man.
Nah, yeah, you touch me, bro.
Okay,
You touch me, bro, you might die, bro.
Okay, well, you're not giving me no option.
I'm telling you, bro.
You're not giving me no
Please
option.
leave me alone.
Okay, well,
Please leave me alone, bro. Like y'all should
be.
did when I was a kid. Medical doctors fuck with me, y'all fuck my head up, bro. We would tear this bitch up right now,
Come
bro.
on, James.
We would tear this bitch up right now, bro. Don't do that, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Man.
I don't want no shot, bro. Y'all gave me shots when I was a kid. I'm a man now, bro. I'm different. I know the difference. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. And I will tear this bitch up. Do not mess with me, y'all. Please.
Come on, James.
Please, I'm asking you, I'm begging you, brother.
I know, but
Black
James,
man, I'm begging you, bro.
I know, but at the same
I'm
time,
begging you, bro. Please leave me alone.
See on the bed then.
Please leave me alone.
they can give you the
Please,
shot right here on the
please
chair.
leave me alone.
They can give you the shot right here on the chair.
Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone, bro.
Not until you get on the bed.
I'm not getting on that
James,
bed.
help us, man. Help me out, bro.
It doesn't work like that, bro. Anybody know a lawyer, bro? Somebody send me a lawyer? Bro, no!
Come on, James.
It don't work like that, man. This shit ain't right, man. Don't put the phone down now, motherfucker. Nah, bro, leave me alone. I don't want no needle in my arm. It don't work like that.
James, come on.
No, it does not work like that, bro.
Please.
No. Y'all need to change mental health awareness, mental health help,
You want this
all
shot
that,
right
man.
here?
Man,
You want to just take it here?
no,
James,
man.
come on, man. Help me out, bro.
No.
Man, we're
The
trying to help you.
the time
We're
is
trying to
now.
protect you, man.
The time is now. No. I'm not on drugs, none of that, bro. I'm sane. I'm a sane man. Y'all the ones that's crazy.
Come on, James.
Y'all the ones that's crazy, bro.
Come on, my man.
No.
James,
No.
Come on,
No.
James.
Bro, get your motherfucking hands on me, bro. It don't work like that, bro. I would tear this bitch up, nigga, on my mama, nigga. Get off on me!
Come on, James.
Get off me, bro! It don't work like that. I'm not crazy. You crazy, white man. Leave me alone, bro.
You were crazy.
Yeah, you did.
I thought you were maybe afraid. I understand.
I'm not scared of nothing, bro. I'm not scared of doubt, bro.
Come on,
Please leave me the fuck alone, bro. It don't work like that, bro. Y'all weak in the bitch.
Wait, right here. James, come on. Come on, bro.
Stop. Relax.
Hey, you choking me.
I'm not choking you.
You choking me, bro.
Stop.
You're choking me, bro.
Stop. Stop.
Help!
Stop.
Help, man. This shit ain't right, bro.
Stop.
This ain't right. Mother. All right. It's going to be a revolution now. Y'all don't even know what time to start. Y'all put that in motion. Yeah. Shit got to change in America, bro. This is not right, man. This is not right, bro. This is not right, bro.
You just gave us. I know. I'm just saying.
I want you to be okay, man. We don't want anything to happen to you.
No, man. Y'all don't care about me, man.
Yeah, we do.
Y'all greedy, bro. Y'all selfish. Y'all are greedy. Y'all weak in the bitch, too. Took all y'all to do that. Y'all weak.